Mario! Okay, no, jokes aside, I'm gonna show you how to get the, cough drop marker. Why did he say, if you don't know what marker you're gonna get? Yeah. And why do I have sprint? Why did I even forget to turn on sprint? And once again, like all the other markers, I removed it from my, collection. How to get the cough drop marker. So it would be way easier if I don't lag. So here. Hill rock. No, hill rock. Hill rock.
Ma se biscotto lo so te la porto.
Sì.
Questo ma scovato tutto ne va. Salti del pigiama sulla sedia.
It's a me, cough drop marker. It's a me, cough drop marker. And you can see there's the cough drop. And yeah, bye. Just in case you forgot how I just in case you didn't see my last video on how I removed them, just like go here. Want to finish my data. If you want to start completely from the start without literally making a new account, delete all my markers. But like I do, I press delete some markers and choose whatever markers you want to delete. Then whatever marker you want to show or don't want, yes, just click here and then press delete markers, and then yeah, you get changed. But bye. It's a me, Mario.